and the ever-fulfilled hearts of devotees return home after the evening prasad with a longing to come back.
Sadhguru Siddhartha
लोगों को पता है कि गोवा में सब धर्म के लोग बहुत ही कम्युनल हार्मनी के साथ रहते हैं और इसे अगर कंटिन्यू करना है और गोवा was a colonial rule before, you know, Goa was ruled by Portuguese for 450 years, but still we have lost our originalities because of the people like Swamiji who were there to take control of all this and preserve our ethics, preserve our history, and to make us to follow the ethics of life. I don't take much of your time. स्वामीजींचे जे काम आसा ते संपूर्ण विश्वा खातीर आसा आणि हे काम संपूर्ण विश्वान भितर पावपाक जाय म्हणूनच हो एक उपक्रम आसा. हांव ह्या उपक्रमा बद्दल आमच्या प्रुडंट मिडियाचे खूप खूप मनापासून अभिनंदन करता आणि हे जे डॉक्युमेंटरी आसा खरें आमच्या लायफान भितर बदल हाडटले. इट विल चेंज अवर लायफ and it's because of that India is known for spirituality. India is known for its ancient values, morals, and the same will be taught with this documentary. Without taking much of your time, once again I congratulate and compliment and appreciate the efforts taken by Prudent team for spreading spirituality through Siddharudaya Swamiji. Namo Siddharudaya. Thank you very much. God bless you. देव बरे करू.
श्रीपाद नायक हांका ताणी दोन उतरां हांगासर उलोवचें आमकां मार्गदर्शन दिवचें. भाऊ हांव तुमकां रिक्वेस्ट करता.
जीवन वाट हरवलेल्या लोकांसाठी दीनदुबळ्यासाठी संपूर्ण जीवन वेचलं त्याला जीवनाचा मार्ग दाखवला अशा सिद्धारूढ स्वामी महाराजांपुढे मी सर्वप्रथम नतमस्तक होतोय. सिद्धारूढ स्वामी महाराजांना आपण शिवाचा अवतार मानत आलो आहोत. अवघ्या सहाव्या वर्षी त्यांनी आपल्या घरादाराचा त्याग केला व आपल्या आध्यात्मिक गुरुच्या शोधार्थ ते पुढे निघाले. आपण त्यांनी श्री गजानन स्वामींचे त्यांनी शिष्यत्व पत्करलं आणि त्यांच्या सेवेत ते दंग झाले. आपलं जीवन त्यांना समर्पित केलं आणि जीवनाच्या अखेर ईश्वरत्व त्यांनी प्राप्त करून घेतले. भरकटलेल्या मानवाच्या जीवनाला त्याचा अर्थ समजून देण्याचं आणि त्यांच्या मानवी जीवनाचा अर्थ पटवून देऊन त्यांचे जीवन सार्थक लावण्यासाठी परमेश्वराने अनेक वेळा मानवाच्या पोटी जन्म घेतलेला आहे. असे आपल्या शास्त्रात अनेक दाखले आहेत. स्वतः परमेश्वर असून देखील माणसाचे डोळे उघडण्यासाठी त्यांनी तप साधनेचा मार्ग पत्करला. सामान्य माणसासारखे कष्ट भोगले. सिद्धारूढ स्वामी महाराज त्यातले एक महान संत आहेत हे आम्हा सर्वांना माहीत आहे. प्रयत्न केले. आम्ही भाग्यवान समजतो की ज्या गावात आमचा जन्म झाला त्या गावातच ते संस्कार मला लहानपणापासून मिळाले. 50 मीटरच्या आतमध्ये सिद्धारूढ स्वामींचा मठ होता. त्यावेळी पांडुरंग स्वामीजी त्या मठाचे अधिपती होते आणि त्यांनी संपूर्ण गोव्यात अशा पद्धतीचं या संप्रदायाचं काम मोठ्या प्रमाणे पुढे नेलं. हा अनेक गोव्यामध्ये जे अनेक मठ आहेत हेच कार्य आतापर्यंत उत्तमरित्या करत आहे. हे सगळं करताना आपण सदैव मानतोय म्हणजे ते देश रक्षणाचं काम असं आपण सगळे मानतोय. धर्म टिकला तर देश टिकेल, राष्ट्र टिकेल, आणि राष्ट्र टिकले तर धर्म टिकेल, ही भावना लोकांमध्ये जागी ठेवण्यासाठी आज त्याची नितांत गरज आहे. हिंदू धर्मावर अनेक आघात झाले. आमची संस्कृती, परंपरा, रूढी नष्ट करण्याचे वारंवार प्रयत्न झालेत, आजही होत आहेत. बांगलादेश, पाकिस्तान, आज हिंदूवर होणारे अत्याचार यांचे ज्वलंत उदाहरण आपण अनुभवतो. तथापि या प्रत्येक आघातातून हिंदू धर्म प्रत्येक वेळेला तावून सुलावून निघत आहे. फिनिक्स पक्षासारख्या राखेतून उंच भरारी घेत आहे. ताज्या घटनातून आम्ही सगळ्यांनी निश्चितपणे हा बोध घेतला पाहिजे. धर्म हे राष्ट्रकार्य आहे, याच भावनेने आपला वाटा आम्हा सर्वांना उचलायचा आहे. आज भारत आणि भारतात अनेक सद्गुरू आहेत जे भारताच्या मानवता धर्माचा पुरस्कार करत आहेत. धर्म हा एक आहे मानणारा आमचा हिंदू धर्म आहे, आणि ज्याने ज्याने आपला ज्या धर्मात आपला जन्म झाला त्या धर्माचं चांगलं कार्य
to go through some aspects related to Swamiji. Of course, as a spiritual leader, lakhs of people accept the divinity and worshipping the God through him. In addition to that, a role played by Pujaniya Swamiji connected to the society, equal justice concept, and above religion, caste, creed, he wanted to mold a society, and for that purpose also Swamiji contributed a lot. Day after tomorrow, I am going to attend Suturmada annual function. I am inaugurating that. So I had occasion to study more about Vasveshwara, the 12th century. Then I found that the contribution for society along with spirituality, Karnataka is concerned, a great role was played. His not only slogans, a prime minister in a small Rajya, if he stood for social justice, eradicate untouchability, arrangement for the marriage of a Brahmin boy with a scheduled caste there. That is occurred. 12th century changed, but on the next day, the king ordered to kill them by cutting their heads. Then he gave up his prime ministership in that small state, decided to go on with the Advaita philosophy. Philosophy is concerned, he criticized even when for social change he focused, and that is one of the important epoch-making achievements. Like that, Swami Siddhartha is concerned. When I go through, Louis has given me some note paper. Then above that, I had occasion to go through some other papers. Then I found that he was a great fighter for society. Fighter means not physically or violently. He has taken a media, one of the leading media in Goa, taken this task, and your commitment to the nation as a whole, Bharatavarsha as a whole, I am appreciating and congratulating you for that process. I am just thinking about, I have not prepared a speech, but I just wrote something there. My memories goes back to Indian freedom struggle. Of course, Indian freedom struggle, so many persons dedicated their life for the cause, And that aspects are also all recorded also, as well as books, and through other sources we can get the details. But the role of the starting of Indian freedom struggle, that freedom struggle, Vivekananda's role, and of course Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, Swami Dayananda Saraswati, Maharshi Aurobindo, the role of Arya Samaj and so many organizations based on spirituality. And spirituality as well as our freedom struggle correlated each other in the first part of the 20th century. I don't know whether properly all these aspects are evaluated and recorded and supplied to the people by historians and other things. That lacuna is, in a way, nowadays we are feeling. Then opposing the same, another research scholar, both scholars are presenting patients, opposing patients, are from Britain and states research scholars. He put a question in that seminar. In 15th century or 16th century, 23 to 27% of the entire world trade was controlled by undivided India. I mean, our Bharat and of course Pakistan and Bangladesh. 27% control. Next question posed was, in 1947, Britishers bid farewell to India. What was the percentage of world trade by India? He himself answered only 2%. So many things are there. I am not taking much of your time. If you go to net, you can get it. So 16,000, of course in Goa, Portuguese people conquered us in 1510. But East India Company came to India in 16,000. Then you see, one important thing of our Bharat is that now British historians have considered that after its 258 years efforts, they were not able to win over the mind of the people. They were failed to brainwash this colony. You take I am not going the details, you take America or any colony of Britain, within short time, only a few months or 1 or 2 years, if you go through anybody, we can see. That is why in 1897, Swami Vivekananda in Chennai declared that I am requesting all of the Indian brothers and sisters, only one thing you do, your mind should be free from mind, not physical or administrative things. Mind should be free from slavery. Then within 50 years, you will be able to get the freedom. 1897, he declared it in Madras in the month of February. I would like to say, when India got freedom 1947, August 15, but actually declared that India, we are going to give freedom to India and we are going to bid farewell to India in 1947, February 23. So spirituality, I mean, spirituality of not Sanatana Dharma alone, spirituality of entire Bharat, Bharata Varsha. Our concept is Anobhadra Kadavo Enna Vishwandaga. Let noble thoughts come from anywhere, everywhere. We are prepared to receive. Our minds are not closed. This declaration among the countries in the world only Bharat alone could declare. That's why I'm saying the role of all these persons, Indian freedom struggle, if we deeply look into it, Swami Vivekananda's role. But Swami Vivekananda never in his any of the speeches stated that against Britishers. He did not criticize Britishers. But through inculcating nationalism, what he did was recently English, some documents are now exposed. They have stated the word Swami Vivekananda, how the record shows at that time, what they recorded there, what they written there. A shrewd politician with the Safford robe. Swamiji never handles politics. You just think about it. Swamiji never used, but the freedom struggle is concerned. Its roots are, that is why Gandhi stated, when I go to the works of Swami Vivekananda, my energy will be 1,000 times increased. Gandhiji stated. Before attaining, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose read all the works of, all the books of Swami Vivekananda. I'm not going through all those things, but in India, there was no serious study on this subject. That is why I am not blaming anybody. That is why, unfortunately, I would like to say, as an individual, not as a governor, I would like to say, there is, our country is concerned, that is needed for the, previously some speaker stated that Vishwaguru, attained Vishwaguruship, we are going forward every time. Yes, we will be able to do that. Advaita Sankalpa is also getting. Dvaita and Advaita, they are not contradicting according to me. That's a belief, interpretation, and this variety, these different types of.
Based on the teachings of the Upanishads and the Brahma Sutras.
ಅವರು ಪ್ರತಿನಿತ್ಯ ಅವರ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವೇದಾಂತ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಅವರಿಗೆ ವೈರಾಗ್ಯ ಉತ್ಪನ್ನವಾಗಿ ಅವರು 8 ವರ್ಷ
as an administrative officer.
And we are 17 trustees. They are appointed by the district magistrate. We are taking care of the day-to-day activities. So Sri Siddharth is one of the greatest, there is a very spiritual place of the south of India, where all fortunate to have Sri Siddharth in these places.
Many sought Swamiji's blessings. His wide divine and spiritual wisdom pulled along disciples across spectrum.
ಅವರ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಶಿಷ್ಯರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಬೀರ್ ದಾಸರು, ಹಾಗೆ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಗೋವಿಂದ ಸ್ವಾಮಿಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇದ್ದರು. ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಕಲಾವತಿ ಆಯಿ ಕೂಡ ಅವರ ಶಿಷ್ಯೆಯಾಗಿ ಬೆಳಗಾವದಲ್ಲಿ ಹನುಮೋಳಮಾಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಹರಿಮಂದಿರವನ್ನು ಸ್ಥಾಪಿಸಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಅಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಚಾರವನ್ನು ಪಡಿಸಿದಂಥವರು.
ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ
ಹೈದರಾಬಾದ್ ನವಾಬ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥವರು ಸೈಯದ್ ಅಮೀನ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥವ್ರು ಬಂದು ಸಿದ್ಧಾರೂಢರ ಶಿಷ್ಯತ್ವವನ್ನು ವಹಿಸಿ ಅವರೇ ಮುಂದೆ ಕಬೀರದಾಸರು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಪಡೆದುಕೊಂಡರು. ಅವರ ಸಮಾಧಿ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಿದ್ಧಾರೂಢರ ಮಠದಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ತೋಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕಾಣಬಹುದು.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಚಳವಳಿ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭವಾದದ್ದೇ ಸಿದ್ಧಾರೂಢರಿಂದ. 1947 ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಚಳವಳಿ ಶುರುವಾಗೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಮಹಾತ್ಮ ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿಯವರು ಈ ಸಿದ್ಧಾರೂಢ ಮಠಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ.
While the major gathering is seen during the two yearly celebrations, the Mahashivratri and the Ram Navami. Is named after Sri Siddharudha Swamiji. Honoring Swamiji, Karnataka Postal Circle has lately released a postal stamp on Swamiji. Siddharudha Swamiji's divine blessings have spread across the states of India. Today, even Goa has around 25 mutts across the state. Agapura Ponda, Dhade Savode, Wajem Shiroda, Aksavada Mandre, Korzue Baradis, Bokadwa Ponda, Usgaon Ponda, Pali Pedne, Vangal Kankona, Sada Vasco, Madkar, Marathwada Mandre, Lokli, Gaudongri, Astemal Kurchore, Panchwadi Savade, Mirabal Savade, हरमल पेरणे.
आमच्या कर्नाटकामध्ये तेवढंच नव्हे, आमच्या गोव्यामध्ये बी त्यांची महिमा आगाध झालेली आहे. थोड्या लोकांनी त्यांचा अनुभूती बी आलेली आहे. आणि त्याचप्रमाणे आता विदरामध्ये पण आमचे शिवकुमार स्वामींनी मोठ्या प्रमाणाने मंदिर पण बनवलं महाराजांचं. आणि इथे तर 25वा मठ हे आमच्या गोव्यामध्ये. त्या 25वा मठामध्ये रोज नित्य नियमाने त्याची आराधना चालूच आहे महाराजांची. कारण सामान्य व्यक्ती नव्हे महाराज, ते साक्षात महादेवाचाच अवतार आहे. ह्यातून जोर म्हणायचा भाग नाहीच नाही. त्यांनी सांगितल्याप्रमाणे त्यांचं आज्ञाचं पालन करा, तुमचं जीवन पावन होतं म्हणून आम्ही सर्वांना हेच बोध करतो.
While the whole world is encroached upon by miseries, hatred, war, under the name of caste, creed, color, religion and boundaries, Sri Siddharudha Mutt is a ray of hope to uplift the race called humans.
ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಜಗತ್ತಿಗೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಅದ್ವೈತ ಪರಂಪರೆ, ಆ ಭಾವನೆಗಳು ಬಹಳ ಅವಶ್ಯಕ. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದು, ನಾವು ಈ ದೇಹವಲ್ಲ ಆತ್ಮ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಭಾವ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬದಲ್ಲಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ
ಈಗ बाहेर उभे राहून रस आपले
तेव्हा दाल के दे वो तो आई जन